Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to free up a space on Dropbox. So let's get started. Freeing up a space on Dropbox involves managing your files and storage using within your account. Delete unwanted files and folders. Go through your Dropbox folders and identify files or folders you no longer need. Right-click on the file or folder you want to delete, select Delete or move it to the Dropbox Trash folder. Click on Files in the left sidebar, then select Deleted Files. Permanently delete files by selecting them and clicking Permanently Delete. Delete or move larger files you no longer need to free up more space. Remove yourself from shared folders that are no longer necessary. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.